Since my phone is due for replacement, it's time to have a look at the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. The first thing that I noticed with this model is that the box itself is very thin. Let's open it up. And inside we can find, well, not too much. Seems that the cable, which is USB-C on both ends, some manuals and safety warnings. We also have the phone that we're expecting. This is a natural titanium color. I prefer this color over the new desert version. Let's peel this off. The screen is bigger than on the 13 Pro Max, although there is not such a big difference in overall outside size. If we flip it on the side, I can already see that we have a new button for the camera. I'm not sure how much I'm going to use this new camera button. And it is a button since it clicks in place even if the phone is off. If you look on the back, no big difference, looks almost the same, but we're getting a way improved camera. Going to the other side, unfortunately here I'm gonna lose this mechanical silent button that I love so much. It's gonna get replaced with this multifunctional button. On the bottom side, you can see that we have the new USB-C connector. This is one of the major reasons for the upgrade, along with the bigger screen with a newer processor that is more powerful and more energy efficient. And of course, we're gonna get a bigger and better battery. From the 14 Pro Max to the 16 Pro Max, in my opinion, this is an upgrade that is really worth it. What is your opinion? Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm not going to go deeper into how the operating system looks like. Apple Intelligence is not available on this unit yet, so there's not gonna be any difference between this phone running iOS 18 and this phone running iOS 18 at this moment in time. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe.